Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the light Blox Fruit. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing two curves going down. And then from both sides, let's curve it out and back in like this. And then underneath, let's curve it down and out. And then close it off at the bottom with a line across. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the face. We'll start with the left eye. Let's draw a curve up and back down. And the same thing going out on both sides. And one more underneath. Now let's draw the right eye in the same way, but smaller. Now let's hop in between and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with an angled line. And then a curve underneath. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop up and let's draw the stem. From the top, let's draw a small angle up and out. Then let's leave a gap and let's draw another angle. Now underneath the gap, let's draw a curve down and back up. And a line up on top. Now let's hop over to the right and let's draw a small line down and then angle it down. Now from the top of each line, let's angle it up and out. And then a V-shaped point up on both sides. And one more on top. Now top inside and let's draw a small diamond in the center. And that's it for the stem. Now let's move down and let's draw the 3D shape to the body. From the angled line we drew earlier, let's curve it down. Now let's curve it out, following the same shape as the body, and back in. Now let's curve it down again, and then an angled line to close it off. And that's it for the light Blox Fruit. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!